Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye, Zion Reggae, I'm on. Build on stone of ancient days, temples stand in holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod, from earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion pure and strong, keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace, bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar, pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word, every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble, heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek, from mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall, hear the voice that guide us all. It say, stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning starts to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all, from first chant to final day. Temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessing, Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion, keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong, keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace, bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then, temple guide the soul again. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man. Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what they need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace, welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame. Every gate a holy Zion, always friend.
Reggae of Zion, yeah, man.
Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways, keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old, it tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak, crown of Zion hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace, it make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rests, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road, it lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign, crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire, crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong, crown of Zion all life long. No gold of man, no earthly fame, crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day, crown of Zion light the way.
Na 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 na, reggae and ganja, yeah, man. Whoa. Blaze so high, it burns so clean. Fire of Zion ever seen. No smoke of hate, no ash
kingdom drop. No fear remain, no shadow stay. Fire light the righteous way. Me sit beside the holy flame, hear the whisper of Jah name. It warm me hands, it warm me soul. Fire make me spirit whole. It burn the lies, it burn the chain. Fire free the heart from pain. Every blaze a prayer said, every ember spirit fade. Yeah. No. When the morning sun arise, fire blaze across the skies. It never die, it never fade. Fire by Jah always made. From birth of man till end of days. Fire keep the holy ways. Light eternal flame divine. Fire of Zion ever shine. Blaze high, blaze strong. Fire of Zion all life long. No chain, no stone can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Oh, fire of Zion, pure and bright. Burn the dark and bring the light. From the altar to the land, fire blaze by Jah command. From root to crown, from heart to sky, fire of Zion never die. Oh, oh, oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja with Zion. Raga ya man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Herb and hope in the same ear. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow and spirit high. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Me teach the youth fi till the land, fi feel Jah works inna them hand. They see them plant, them future build. With every crop, a life fulfill. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf, the truth improve. Zion grow in a way. Like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting near. Me rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nights, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot on sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingy sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him there in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me born illusion, me born the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Rootsman rise in a morning light. We burn the darkness, chant the right. Me see me people wake from sleep. The chains break, the knowledge deep. Me reason with elders under tree. Them say son keep Jah company. Me hold the vibe, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone. Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Rootsman rise in a Zion beat. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Rootsman rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new.
Nah, nah, nah. Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pants and no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man stay firm and whole. look to the sky. Me give thanks for life through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress but the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laugh in a yard, pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge, skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them say chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trod it right. At the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drums that beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Habitation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to sacred drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever holy.
Na 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 na. Dreadlock swing in your man. But nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No nights, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation hold me tight. Ganja light me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float pan rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature plain. Every puff a step more near to the inner world me hold so dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient thunder roll when me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion, just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright, of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant of psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign, every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed, like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon, no. Me just float, me eye like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath your sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based on shadow past. Me sight the lies behind this smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bond the chain, me lift me head. Jah light make me spirit fed. Burn Babylon slow. One truth a stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn for right, it burn for wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyric sharper than them word. Me burn corruption, me burn them lies. Babylon can't hide from Jah eyes. Burn Babylon slow. One truth a stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law, we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with herb and heart of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall on ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth fi think and grow. Fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build up bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumble slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground. Till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One truth a stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow, but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal.
smoke a spliff in the morning, yeah man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf, step on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no gold, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors pon the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no gold, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me rhythm in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life me nah need no gold, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light pan Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
No bill and no stress, ganja health my soul, yeah man. Raindrops fall on the zinc rooftop. We roll me spliff and not stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me all are calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose Jah scent and loving eyes. We float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie, just her and I. Real vibes high, the drops of rain I wash me clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow, even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul, together strong, together whole. Drip, drop, fall, we still feel peace. She hold me tight, and then release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook vital food on fire coal. Coconut stew, warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key, but still she say she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams, about little youths and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall, but the vibes stay calm. Even in thunder, Jah love remain. Even in hardship, we never complain. A simple life, but rich in sound. With each heartbeat, me love rebound. Roots in the rain, keep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain on roof, but light within. The herb and she, a pure missing. No diamond ring, but me soul she claim. Together we stand in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain, a blessing come. Each thunder clap, a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. We sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun on me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Rootsman heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a rootsman higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, oh Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with Rootsman ancient rage. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Na na na, chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space. Only love and Jah grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me and a herb feel what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors feel me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel.
me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
No smoker. Split with Zion Reggae. Up inna the hills where the moonlight fall, me sit with me thoughts here nature call. No light but the stars them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant up psalm, me heart beat slow. In the silence the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flow infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me faith. Each blade sing a song about life and faith. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade, but the stars shine truth, undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lost in stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon's tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar coated ties. But me not yet, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the car. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow, and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions and lumpen wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion na na na. Rasta man smoke ash all ya man. Yeah. Me step light on the road so cold. Inna the mist, me story unfold. Me wear no crown but me heart is gold. Me chant truths that Babylon soul. Me face hidden but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. Inna the shadows me remain still, listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion inna the mist,
walking quiet but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. My voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. Inna the mist, me hold my mind.
Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah time in a move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear, but me walk with no worry near. Me urban sacred fi guide my pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deeper in a Zion grace. Me no play a game, me no play a man. Me live for roots, me live for plan.
All up, me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. All up,
me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep and it can't tame.
me a lion inna the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with song. Me walk in silence, stand my ground. Me no need crowd for know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift.
Me hear me elders inna the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion, no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the ball. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevating holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life gets hard. Me speaking metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace.
As my fear in the fog, my strength remain like roots in soil after the rain. My lion spirit can't be killed. My fire in the mist still build. Cool.
Aye, aye, aye. Down by the jungle side smooth. Kaya, yeah, man. Down by the river where the water run clean. Me sit on the rock, blaze up me green. Me hide them close, but me soul awake. Every leaf a message, every breeze a break. No city nice, no concrete jail. Only bird chant and natural trail. Me dreadlocks long, me heart stay light. Me chant rhythm through the day and night. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. In our roots and rhythm we trust, leave the worry in our dust. Let the music carry we high, like the herbs and the endless sky. Zion echoes echo deep, in the river of soul we leap. Me bun me spliff with reverence. This herb is no decadence. It open me mind, me spirit fly. I see Jah face inna the sky. Meditation pan a stone so cold, but me heart warm, me spirit bold. Me no need no fancy gold, just a drum, a chant, a story told. Me no run from the system no more. Me walk past it, open the door. Nature teach more than any man, and rhythm guide like divine plan. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. In our roots and rhythm we trust, leave the worry in our dust. Let the music carry we high, like the herbs and the endless sky. Zion echoes echo deep, in the river of soul we leap. Me reason with me elders pan a moonlight night. Them say youth man, stay in a delight. This life hard, but music sweet. Chant your truth and feel the beat. So me write down words like holy text. Sing for peace, never vexed. Every chorus a healing prayer, every verse a lion's lair. Me see the youths lost in fun like glare, but I call them to the forest air. Tell them put down Babylon screen, come feel the love in the tambourine. No judgment here, just harmony, reggae vibes and prophecy. Let the Rasta river flow, wash away this stress and woe. With one drop beat and ancient tone, me find my path, me find me home. Let the chalice bubble slow, meditation start to glow. Zion echoes in a me chest, Rasta life me truly blessed. Flow, river flow, carry the soul where love can grow. Rootsman chant from dusk till dawn. Rasta rise when Babylon gone. Zion echoes, we not fade, we trot forward, unafraid dead people. Na na na, dawaj krytykacja, wojska. Pack me bag, me roll one tight. Irie morning, the sun shine bright. Me jump in a van, baseline strong. Roots highway, me ride along. Me destination just forward way. No worry, no clock, just Jah today. From Kingston Hills to Portland breeze, me drive with the rhythm, me soul at ease. Pon the Roots highway, me ride, with me spliff and rhythm by me side. Me carry love, me drop the stress. In all this levity, me manifest. Me foot steady, me heart stay true. Jah guide the way, me always knew. From town to bush, me spirit fly. Pon the Roots highway, me testify.
Me pass youths pan roadside sell. Them eyes still bright though life not swell. Me honk and wave, me send them light. Cause me know this world not always right. But me not dwell in pain too long. Me turn it to fire, me turn it to song. Me chant me reason, me plant the seed. Rasta ride with faith, not greed. Me stop fi coconut, ital stew. Me link me bread and me whole of you. Me light up chalice under tree. Sweet smoke rise and me soul feel free. No rush, me take me time. Me life a poem, me words a rhyme. Every mile teach me more. Each turn me open a higher door. On the roots highway me roll. Me ride for the young and the old. Me bring vibration high and clean. Like mountain spring, me keep it green. Me burn down hate, me spread some love. Me chant to Jah who watch from above. Me ride the rhythm like tidal wave. Me spirit bold, me heart not cave. Me link a sister in a Negril side. She tell me stories of what she hide. Me say release it, let Jah hear. Cause every tear is strength fi bear. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon. Him tell me of Marcus and revolution. Me soak the words like root soak rain. Me ride with wisdom, not in vain. Sun a set now, sky on fire. Me feel the night and still inspire. Me light me spliff one more again. And sing me truth in soft refrain. Stars above, the silent sweet. Me heartbeat sync with Nyabingi beat. Me give thanks for every turn. Cause even through dark me spirit burn. On the roots highway me glide. With good vibes as me only guide. Me nah need riches, nah need gold. Me carry roots, me carry soul. Me travel light, me travel wide. With reggae spirit as me ride. Me live it real, me joy stay high. Panja highway me reach the sky. Roots highway carry I home. Smoke in the wind, no more roam. Me ride the rhythm, me chant alone. Till Zion call, me reach me zone.